your God. Hear, O Israel, the Lord your God is one word. Thou, the Lord your God, with all your heart. That's passion. With all your mind, with all your strength. Actually, if you want to be effective, we need to lead by example, and we need to lead by example through passion. Makita mo na ito. So church, I'm going to leave you with this statement. Huwag mo na kuha sa tanan ng istorya, no? Kanina. Pagkabuhat ko na ito is, yun mo na yung sundo na? Akong istorya. I will teach truth. I will teach truth. In the context of a relationship. Backed by my example. I will teach truth in the context of a relationship backed by example. Ako magatulog sa kamatuuran. Pinaagis akong relasyon sa akong mga anak. Inubanan. Sa ako magpapagmodelo, hindi ako magpapagmodelo. Kung na ako'y makuha, isagan na lang ang mga. And before I end, this is very powerful to me. The reason why I want to share this with you, kasi ba niyo ko, these are the last days of Moses. Kapag na si Moses mamatay siya, kami sila sa promise na. It just takes me back when I was 8 years old. 8 years old, it's a Monday. Huwag ko ito, ako mama, bato ni, ang age na may sense of death is 9 years old. Palong ko na yun in December, being that was May when this happened on a Monday. Patawag ko ni Mama, si Jen. That's why it's so personal to me. That's why you see it, very passionate about it. Kay, siya na, all may tapo. I'm trying to remember sa ilan sa book of Revelation. After that, all may tapo. And I want you to serve God. Sumawa ka ba daw kung nalaw siya namatay? That was before siya nagawa the same day. The only thing that she has, siya wala na kayo puso, wala na mutanan. I have the Word of God. That's why ka-feel ko ni Moses. Jesus. And sa last days of your life, kung ako ipabaon ninyo, isang pulong sa Diyos. Huwag ko'y mahatag ng atikayunan, huwag ko'y mahatag ng malan, huwag ko'y mahatag. It's just so fresh for me. At ayaw mo sa pagpapalakaw. Ayaw mo muna. Kung mawala kong ikalimutan na, at ayaw mo makita ka. Parents, I know this is not an easy battle. But the reason why I'm standing today, the reason why ako karoon, is there's the parents, the mama, in their last breath, even during their entire life, took the time. Hindi na mo siya mawawal. No, come here. Study the Word and remind you kung sa kakapinangkas sa inyong buhaton kung ako wala na. Church, the time, we can still redeem the time. Iguang sa failure ka sa ubad na napakay mga po, napakay mga pagmamahal. God is teaching us so that the next generation will know. God bless us all.